Hey guys, how are you doing? Now, did you know that approximately 1 lakh cars are stolen each year? Car theft is a real problem, and that can happen to anyone, anywhere. So, if you want to keep your car safe and secure, stick around. Here are some useful tips to prevent your car from being stolen by those pesky thieves. Be careful where you put your keys. Did you know that where you put your car keys can make a huge difference in preventing car theft? It may seem like common sense, but many people forget this simple step. It's important to keep your keys in a safe spot, where they are not visible and far away from your car. That way, if someone tries to break in, they won't be able to easily locate the keys. And remember, always check your car's lock before walking away, even if you have a smart key. Invest in a Faraday pouch for a keyless car. Have you ever heard of keyless car theft? Yes, that's a real thing and it's becoming more and more common. Thieves can use a device to amplify the signal from your keyless fob, which allows them to open and start your car without the need for a physical key. So what can you do to prevent this? Well, one solution is to invest in a Faraday pouch or box. These handy little items use special materials that block electromagnetic signals, meaning your keyless fob won't be detected by thieves. It's a small investment that can go a long way in keeping your car safe from high-tech theft. Invest in a steering lock. Steering wheel locks are physical deterrents that make it difficult for thieves to steal your car. Not only do they prevent thieves from driving away with your car, but they can also buy you some extra time to take action in case a thief does try to steal your car. So, it's always better to be safe than sorry. And investing in a steering lock is a small price to pay for the peace of mind that comes with knowing that your car is secure. Install GPS trackers and immobilizers. By installing a GPS tracking device in your car, you can keep a tab on its location and movements at all times. This can be especially useful if your car is stolen, as it can help the authorities in tracking it down quickly. Additionally, some GPS trackers come equipped with features like geofencing and engine immobilization, which can further enhance the security of your car. With these features, you can be rest assured that your car is well protected even when you are not around. Install an audible alarm system and anti-theft device. Installing an audible alarm system and using a visible anti-theft device are simple but effective ways to protect your car from thieves. Not only will it make it more difficult for them to steal your car, but it may also discourage them from trying it in the first place. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, that is the NHTSA, recommends these measures as a practical approach of securing your vehicle. So, if you are concerned about the safety of your car, it might be worth investing in one of these security devices. Taking these preventive measures can help safeguard your vehicle and deter potential thieves from targeting it. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry when it comes to your vehicle safety. Do share your thoughts and car theft stories and keep watching this space for more such content.